When comparing flax seeds and pumpkin seeds in terms of protein and fiber content, both are highly nutritious, but they serve different primary benefits. Protein content: pumpkin seeds are significantly higher in protein compared to flax seeds. On average, pumpkin seeds contain about 30 grams of protein per 100 grams, making them one of the most protein-dense seeds available. This makes pumpkin seeds an excellent choice for people looking to increase their protein intake for muscle building, recovery, or simply for feeling fuller longer. Flax seeds, on the other hand, provide about 18 grams of protein per 100 grams, which is still a respectable amount but considerably less than pumpkin seeds. While flax seeds contribute to daily protein needs, they are not as protein-rich as pumpkin seeds. Fiber content: when it comes to fiber, flax seeds are the clear winner. Flax seeds provide an impressive 27 grams of fiber per 100 grams, most of which is soluble fiber that supports healthy digestion, helps regulate blood sugar levels, and can contribute to lower cholesterol. Their high fiber content is one of flax seeds' most celebrated health benefits, particularly for gut health and weight management. In contrast, pumpkin seeds contain significantly less fiber, offering around 6 to 7 grams per 100 grams. While this is still beneficial for digestion, it's not nearly as potent as the fiber boost you would get from flax seeds. Summary: pumpkin seeds are better for protein intake. They are a strong plant-based protein source, ideal for those needing more protein in their diet. Flax seeds are superior for fiber. They are an excellent option for those focusing on digestion, gut health, or weight management due to their high fiber content. Both seeds offer unique benefits and can complement each other well in a balanced diet. If you're aiming for both high protein and high fiber, including both in your meals can be a smart strategy. Thank you for watching.